Hello everyone. Today let's make manga pachadi because the summer is here, mangoes are here. Let's make this sweet, sour, spicy, tangy manga pachadi in no time. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe, in a pan, add some oil, preferably not coconut oil. To this, add about 4 small mangoes cut in cubes. Use only raw mangoes for this. 2 green chillies slit and give it a good saute. Let the oil coat the mangoes and the chilli. Now add salt to taste. Give this a good mix. Add some curry leaves to this, mix them well and close and cook. While the mangoes are cooking, add some jaggery in a pan with a dash of water and melt it completely. The exact measurements are given in the description below. Once the jaggery completely melts, it should have a nice watery consistency. By this time the raw mangoes will be half cooked. Let's pour the jaggery mixture into it and let it cook along with the jaggery to absorb the sweetness. I just realized the amount of jaggery I had used was not enough, so I'm adding a tad more, but the description has the exact measurement, so you can follow that. Make sure it's evenly distributed. You can see the mangoes are almost done. At this stage, add about half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it well and bring it to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you can put off the fire. Then in another small pan, add some oil. Splatter some mustard seeds. Add some dry red chillies and half a teaspoon of asafoetida, or just about a pinch, and half a teaspoon of chilli powder. This will give it a good color and the slightest kick. Put off the fire immediately. Stir it well and pour that into the mango jaggery mixture. That's it. Give this a good mix. Your sweet, sour, spicy, tangy manga pachadi is ready. Have this with some curd rice and it will be absolutely divine. Try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.